Hey everyone, check out the Beneunder Windproof and lightweight portable travel umbrella that's perfect for any weather. This tri-fold reverse folding umbrella is ultra-light, weighing just 0.85 pounds and measuring 12.6 inches when folded for easy carrying. It features 8 sturdy resin-reinforced fiber ribs designed to withstand strong winds up to 10 meters per second. With one button automatic open and close, it's super convenient to use with just one hand. The reverse folding design keeps the wet surface inside, preventing water from dripping on your car or floor. Made with water-repellent 75D umbrella cloth, it dries quickly and resists heavy rain and wind. Whether you're commuting or traveling, this umbrella offers reliable protection and easy portability. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.